Hi everyone, I'm Stacy, your online instructor. I'm back again to show you how we can add special access requirements to tests for our students. We may need to do this when a student misses a test, needs extra time added, or needs a test reset because of a technical issue. So let's get started and see how this works. You'll see here I'm on my course home page, and I'm going to click on quizzes. When I do that, it brings up a page of all of the quizzes that I have listed for this course. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using test number 1. You can see it's available from October 3rd to October 10th. I'm going to click on the link for this test and then click on restrictions. Once I click on restrictions, you're first going to see the loaded information for this test, October 3rd to 10th, from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. If I scroll down a little further on this screen, you're going to see that I have a time limit enforced of 120 minutes and a 5-minute grace period. If I keep going a little further, here's where we can access our special access requests. Click on Add Users to Special Access. Once you click on this button, it's going to bring you to the next screen. It's going to show you the same information of the test that we just saw, October 3rd to 10th. But this is where we can change the access. So I'm going to change this date. I can use the calendar function, and you can see you can move forward and back through months. Or you can type it in. I'm going to type in 20 and have it due on October 20th. Once I click out of it, you can see if I click back on again, it has selected the 20th on the calendar. Now, we can scroll down and change certain restrictions. So for timing, you can say no changes. We can change the recommended or enforced time limit. It was 1:20 on the other page with a 5-minute grace period. So you have flexibility to change things up here as you go. So for today in this example, I'm going to click no changes. It's going to be exactly the same as the other page for the restrictions. If we scroll further down, we see the list of students. We select which ones we want to have this special access and click Add Special Access. It'll bring us back to that first page we were on. And you'll see now at the bottom, special access has been granted to Stacy, October 3rd to the 20th. A couple nice features D2L has added here are the edit buttons, which will take us back to the screen that we were just on, or removing the access button, the X button. They're kind of handy when you need some quick fixes. From here, I click Save and Close, and you'll know that I have special access by this little key beside the test name. So this is how you give students special access within D2L in the quizzes section. I hope it's been informative and easy to follow. I'm Stacy, your online instructor, and happy learning.